Today I will show you the best and affordable 3D pen. I will describe all the details of it. This cool pen is available in 4 different colors. They are blue, orange, gray and yellow. On front it have power light, heating light, speed regulator, stepless speed changer, vent. On the top, it have power supply input and filament input. And on the bottom it have the nib. You can use this pen to design some beautiful and cool 3D items. See some samples of items created with this. You can buy this creative 3D pen from the link in the description below. You can choose 3 colors filament or can get 20 colors filament with the pen. These will be ABS filament, which is good for making solid models. Each filament is 10 meters in length. So, what are you waiting for? Go and get this for you or your child. Or you can give someone this pen as a gift.